All right, then let's take a look at your first one then. Now I've given you the question. I think you're already done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. So you've got 8 groups. I'm gonna use blue, okay? So let's clear that. You got 8 groups of 3. So 8 times 3 will give me 24. Okay, let's clear this one. Yeah. Okay, let's clear mine too, because I think the writing later I'm gonna test you timetable, okay? Have you remember last week have you revised through your 5 timetable, 6 timetable, 7 timetable? Have or not? Did you revise? Don't bring that timetable that shit out because it's cheating. Let me just go. Let's try this one. Oops. Okay, what is the working then? I know it's 21, but you can easily count when you say 21, but what's the very good. So yes, where's my mouse? I don't know. My mouse is different. Oh, there. 7 times 3. Good. I'm gonna write over your answer so that you can see the working later.
How many questions do we have?
Sorry?
How many questions do we have?
I think we have about 20 over questions if I'm not, or is it 15? Hold on, let me just check. It should be about 15 questions, but don't worry, we'll finish it.
Okay.
Let me just quickly check. Hold on.
Next.
Hold on a second. Because
There's about 20
yeah,
questions, right?
we quite have, sorry again?
Yeah, about 20 questions.
Yes, we're about 22 questions because there are extra some questions. So what I'm gonna do, don't worry, we will do half of it, 10, 11 questions, then we'll give you a break, okay? So let's go on to the next one. Can you see my sharing? The slide can see?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go on to number 3. So do the working quickly. Are you able to write? Write down your working. Need some paper. Can you share? Can you see my slide? Yeah, can you write down?
I can see your slide with ladybugs.
Okay, can you write down your answer? So remember your Night timetable. Do you remember the finger that I taught you, night timetable?
Yeah.
So can you show me 9 times 6?
54.
Close your 6th finger.
Is it 54?
Very good. Your handwriting. Yes, 9 times 6 is 54. What happened to your...
I don't know. It's very hot.
Yeah, very hard to control, is it?
Mm.
Yes, your answer is 54. That looks like 59. Okay, let's clear that drawing. All right, 9 times 4 will give me 54. Next one.
Ooh, pizza.
Do you like pizza?
Yeah. I like pepperoni.
You like pepperoni? I don't like pepperoni. I like the
like
Hawaiian
Hawaiian.
pizza.
I even
Yeah, I like
the one-
Hawaiian.
Do you
It-
like? I like the one with the seafood.
I don't like pineapple though. I just like the cheese. So probably it's just
How
cheese.
many slices of pizza? 5. Five, 7, 7. Then
Hold on, my mouse has got no sensor. I don't know why. Okay, so you've got 5. My pen better. Okay. Not my pen, my mouse pad. All right, 5 times 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 5 pizza. There you go, 35. Okay.
yeah.
So gonna write your answer 35. Let's clear that off. There we go. Okay, next one, strawberry cakes.
6.
Yeah,
6, 8.
so it's actually 6 times 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. How many strawberries?
8.
Are you writing?
48.
What's wrong? What are you looking at?
42.
Or are you working out your timetable?
I don't know why this is correct. Very wrong.
You don't know why what?
I don't know why it's correct.
Yeah, 6 times 8. What?
Means that every of my multiplication questions that I answer is wrong.
Why? It's correct.
Yeah, no.
It's correct.
I think this one's 44.
No, you're calculating. This one is wrong. The working is correct, but your calculation, your answer, check again for this one. Earlier on, they are all correct.
8. What's 6 times 8?
What is 6 times 8? Don't ask. Try to count. Your timetable, you should by right actually memorize it by now already. So no. You know what is 6 times 7? Do you remember what 6 times 7? Do you remember your timetable 6 or timetable 7?
36.
No. 6 times 6 is 36. What is 6 times 7?
6 times 7.
If you remember 6 times 6, 36. 6 times 7 was plus another 6 will give me what?
42.
Yes. So you will get 42. And then 6 times 8 will give me?
42.
No.
What
If 42 you plus another 6 will give me?
42. 42 plus another 6.
Yeah. What do you get?
48. I get.
Oops, sorry.
48.
Yes, 48. So my answer is 48. There you go. Okay. And write down. Can still see my slide?
Yeah.
I accidentally
I still see a slide.
okay. I accidentally pressed it off. So yes, your answer is 48. Okay. Let's write that down. 6 times 8 will give me 48. So make sure your 6 timetable, try to revise it again.
Okay.
Okay.
I know the 9 times table trick.
Okay, next one. Your loaf of bread. Okay, what is that marking there? So you have to count how many slices there are in the bread.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 groups of how many slices? Is it the ones that are already cut off or all?
All of it. All of it.
Is it 9?
You have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Yes, 9 slices. So if you got 12 groups times 9. Now this one you have to do the normal working. So you have to take 12 times 9. All right. Show that working. 9 times 2 will give me. What's your 9 timetable, remember?
Is it 108?
Okay, so 108, all right? 9 times 2 is 18. 18 carry 1. 9 times 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. Very good. 108.
I already
Yes.
working. And my mother taught me how to do the multiplication working.
Very good. Okay, so make sure you know your timetable.
Okay.
Okay, let's take a look at this one. So 9 times 2, 108. Try this one. Now value of 9 timetable. Show me your finger again. 9 times 9. 9 times. Close your 9 finger.
90.
Huh? No, 9 times 9. 9 times 10 is
81.
90. Yes. What again?
81.
Yes. All right, write it down. 81. Okay, so 9 times 9 is 81.
81.
Very good. Where's your 1? Okay, so yes. Let's go on to the next one.
What's the next?
Hold on. It's quite hard to clear. 7 times 7.
Wait, 49.
Very good.
49.
Yeah.
Can it
Good
work
job.
7 times table?
Yeah, you have to memorize the 7 timetable, okay? Next one. Now you can't use a calculator. You have to show me all your working for this one. Okay, so some of them is easy during the working, but the ones that you need. Now, whenever you have times 0, I'm just going to give you a little trick, okay? So if you just whatever zero numbers, how many numbers of